In case there's a problem with the touchpad, and let's say now we want to replace the battery, the first thing we do is actually open this screw here. After we've opened the screw, we take the touchpad, lift it up, and remove the glass outward. Now we disconnect the battery, take it out, and replace it. If we want to perform a factory reset and start the whole process from the beginning, we can disconnect the glass, which will make it easier. Here, there are two buttons. We press these two buttons at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Release the top part, 1, 2, 3. And basically, what we're seeing right now is a factory reset. From here, we actually receive the signal. These two indicate that we have a SIM card. If we had Wi-Fi, we would see only one light, not two. This indicates that I have a SIM card installed in the device. Here it shows me the battery status. If the battery indicator is green, like here, it means the battery is full and there is no problem with the battery. Here it shows me that it's red because the counter is not connected. So first we need to connect the counter and then perform the reset from the beginning. We will connect the counter. After we've connected the counter, we'll activate the reset again. 1, 2, 3 and release the top part. 1, 2, 3. We will release both buttons and now the system is performing a reset. Now we'll see that the counter is connected, as you can see here. Right now it's green. Here it tells us that we have the SIM card. And here it indicates that we have a connected and functioning battery. After we've done this reset, we first attach the glass cover. And now we insert the battery. Once we've done that, we move on to the phone. First, we go to the Wi-Fi settings. Press and hold the Wi-Fi icon and connect to the BuzzzTech touchpad. After connecting to the BuzzzTech touchpad, we then open the browser and type in 192.168.4.1. Enter. Now I can select one of the SIM card providers like hologram, webbing, or things data. With these SIM cards, if I know the provider, I can enter it manually or just search with auto. When I select auto, it searches for the correct network. Once it finds the right network, we can see that it's now connected to the internet, and from there it connects directly to its program destination.